Good day, applicant A1200256.
Good day, ma'am and sir.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Donna de la Peña, 32 years old. I'm single. We are 5 in the family. I'm in the third. I'm a high school graduate in Balugo National High School in Oriental Mindoro. I'm a Catholic.
Do you have any working experience as domestic helper in the Philippines or in abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I have experience in Saudi for 3 years. They are 5 in the family and one couple, 3 children. And I do clean the house. I cook simple Arabic food. And I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. I can go to market, mopping the floor, and washing the dishes and clothes. For the children, my duties and responsibilities are giving food, prepare their school uniform, send and fees to school, help them in their assignment, and sometimes bring in the farm.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, ma'am. Cooking and reading.
Why do you want to go abroad?
I want to go to abroad for my better life for my family.
Any message for a future employer?
Yes, ma'am and sir. If you choose me as your servant, I will do my best, my duties and responsibilities. I'm honest and patient and hardworking. I will treat your family as my own. I promise to finish my 2 years contract. Hope to see you soon, ma'am and sir.
Thank you and good luck.
Thank you, ma'am.